Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Whitehouse Farm. Hey guys, so how's everyone doing today? Actually, this is gonna be a special episode. We're gonna be doing a whole review on the Flame King propane refillable tanks. Thanks to one of my subscribers, Mikey Propanes, otherwise known as Propane Mike, on my YouTube subscriber channel. He sent us some cool stuff, and he actually got it. He sent it to me to go ahead and try out after he watched my Mr. Heater, the portable buddy, where I was reviewing the little heater out in the cabin, and he said how he saw that I was going to refill the supposedly the non-refillable tanks, but he said this would be a lot safer and better for the family, so with no worries. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. But there it is. Here's the kit that he sent us. It's the 1 pound refillable cylinder and kit. And this will be pretty cool because then we can refill everything and you know, be able to use the heater and other stuff. As you can see on the side, they're used for grills, lanterns, heaters, which is what we have, and then the burners. And he also sent us 2 additional tanks, so we'll be able to run all night off these tanks doing the refill. And I'm joined today with my 2 assistants.
Hi.
This is Lauren, and then of course you all know Olaf. Hey guys. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. We'll do the unboxing, and my lovely assistant Olaf will be able to open up the box for us. All right, Olaf, get into it.
Come on. Give you a start. Need a knife. Come on now. It's delicious.
There you go. He's getting it now. Oh, this is delicious. Go ahead, Obo, you got it. Here, can I help you with this part of the tape here? There you go. Oh my God, this is so tough. Oh, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Good job, Olaf. All right.
Jeez.
Oh.
Aggressive.
All right, very aggressive. Wow. All right, Olaf. What else we got in here? So this will be the unboxing of it. Now that Olaf did most of the work. So got another refillable tank. So that makes 3. And oh, he's gonna try and open it from the bottom too. This is okay. This looks like the adapter. So this is the adapter we're going to hook up to the propane tank. I just want to eat the box. It's so delicious. All right, Olaf. You can have the box once we're done opening it, okay? Once we get the rest of the stuff out. All right, looks like screws. Here, you want this? Here you go. Thank you so much. Oh, this is delicious. Thank you, Mikey. Yum, yum. All right. So now we got, looks like one of the legs, 2, and then the platform. And important. So this is going to explain how to put everything together here. Seems pretty simple. Hey, Olaf. Hey, we're going to need you, once you're done eating that, I guess, like spaghetti. Okay, Olaf. Jeez. Hey, he really likes that.
Need some help.
There we go. This is so delicious. Yeah. I guess that's why he poops cardboard pellets. Hey, it's got fiber in it. It's good. So Olaf, hey, you want to hold the directions for us? Oh, they look so delicious. So I'm gonna lick them. Olaf, these are the directions. You gotta hold. Okay, you're gonna hold. Okay, never mind. You're gonna. I take it you already memorized the directions, and that's why you're eating it. Yeah, I got it all memorized. When I eat it, it goes right into my brain, and I know how to put it all together. All right, Olaf. I see you brought your friends today. Who's that? Is that Peppa? Hi, Peppa. And who's that behind you? Is that Georgie? Hi, Georgie. How you guys doing? Oh, these directions are good. Oh, you should thank Flame King for these delicious instructions. All right, Flame King. He says thank you. The directions were delicious. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, Olaf, like this? Goes together like that, or just go together like this? Like that? Okay. All right. My other assistant would open them up for me. And I just need one, and then I need a washer. And then a little. No, you're not gonna. You already ate a bucket of screws. Okay. All right, so that's the center one. So that's in there now. Now what we want to do, it says right on here, do not stand or sit on fixture. You hear that, Olaf? Yeah, well, what if I want to do a little sitting on it? Olaf, no sitting on it. Okay, I'll just eat this box then. Okay, so this side should face the ground. So I'm gonna face this way, and we're gonna line up there's 4 holes on through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So if Lauren, you want to start putting them in there and get it all set up here.
Washer underneath each?
Yep.
And a little thingy?
Yeah, and then you put the washer, and then this little guy right here. Yum, 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 this is good. I love eating boxes, yeah. Yum, 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 these are good. Man, he's a weird goat.
All I can hear is him chewing.
Oh, Olaf. Jeez. Okay. Good.
This one's on there. There was only a very little bit of space to screw it on there.
Okay, so that's on there now. So, now, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take the tank, and we actually got a new tank here. We're gonna go ahead and place that upside down. And it's going to sit just like that. So all the liquid propane is actually coming to the bottom and the air is up on top. Okay. Yeah, you can take the top off one of those. And these just twist right off. And here's the Allen wrench for it. All right, so now Lauren's going to show us how that comes off. Just twists right off, and there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the adapter on, and this just threads on just like you would for any any of your grills or any of that stuff. So it's gonna go on here, and you can hear the little Little air burst there as we're attaching it. Jeez, Olaf. He's fighting with it now. Oh, I'll finish it. Oh, hey. Okay. So now we got that hooked up on there now. We'll go ahead and turn the propane on. Okay, so now the propane's on, and we're gonna hook this up to here. But you can actually, if you press this, so you can hear the propane. So you actually see it too, so see it coming out. So here is the little Allen wrench screw here, and what we're gonna do once we get this on, we're gonna open that up, turn it counterclockwise, and then we're gonna fill this until we start seeing the propane start to shoot out. And this just threads right on. Okay, that's on there good and tight. And now we're gonna use the little Allen wrench and we're gonna loosen this up. You can actually hear a little bit of gas escaping from there. So let's go ahead. Okay. You can actually hear it filling. Now I don't hear it anymore, so I'm gonna let go of that and I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna start holding this down. And once we start to see the propane come out of here, that's when we know that it's full. Oh, you can start to see it. See it coming out? Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up. And we're gonna unscrew this. Oh, we gotta make sure that this is turned off. And there we go. Now we have a full tank. So we'll go ahead and put the cover back on. All right, so there we go. Now we got a full propane tank. This sucker is ready to be used now. So we got 2 more to fill up, and let's see if my assistant can do this now.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
I feel like you've done this before.
I have.
Yep.
I'm not sure what to do with the
Yep, turn that all the way on.
Do I have to open up
You can go ahead and depress it first.
Wait till we see it.
Yeah, and until, because you'll hear it start to, yep, you'll hear it fill. And then once you don't hear it, like we can still hear it. Because it does take a little bit, as you saw with mine. Okay, so now you can let go of this and then undo the little Allen screw.
Over here?
Yep. And then start pressing this once you unscrew it. You can actually leave it right in there. Yep. And same thing, we'll wait until we start seeing the propane coming out. Does take a little bit.
And then you go, when it comes out, you tighten it?
Yep. Once it starts coming out, once we start seeing it shoot out. And propane is actually odorless. They actually add that smell, that propane smell that everyone says. So that way you know if you have a leak or anything. Yep, let it go for a little bit. Okay, go ahead and tighten it up. All the way. Good. Yep, you don't need to go too hard with it.
Okay.
Yep. And then go ahead and turn that off first. Yep. And then go ahead and disconnect it. Quickly. Then we can cap that one.
Fill in the next one?
Yeah, and then we can fill the next one. This guy wants them all filled so we can sleep out in the cabin tonight. Hey, I want to try. All right, well, Mommy just filled the other ones, so you could try another one at a different time. What is going on over there?
Okay, coming out.
Coming out good?
Right? Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yep. And then close it. And then take that off quickly.
So smelly.
And then we can cap it. All right. So it's like the whole family's here now. So once again, Propane Mike, awesome. Thank you so much. We're gonna use this a lot. And so we'd all like to say thank you. And everyone else out there, make sure you like
and subscribe. Click this and ring the notification bell. Ding!
and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. All right, thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Hi, guys.